So hi guys, this is again Kat Goals. Oh, this is not a vlog, this is a quick preview sa birthday sa mo ang pinakusgan nga baboy sa TGU si Amor. So salamat kayo Amor sa pag-invite sa mga sa imong birthday. So dili ni vlog guys ha. Quick preview lang ni sa iyang birthday para at least na remembrance.
Hi guys, welcome to Kat Goals channel and we're here in Mountain View. Hi guys, good afternoon. Yeah, so namin sa Mountain View. Mountain. Basta. Palang Mount View. Yeah, we are invited sa birthday ni Amor. By the way, welcome to Kat Goals channel. Kat Goals channel. Yes. He's here. Oh my God.
Thank you so much for joining us guys for today's event, birthday ni Amor.